In today's dynamic business landscape, juggling multiple projects, managing teams, and keeping track of finances can feel like a high-wire act without a safety net. The sheer volume of tasks, deadlines, and communication threads can quickly become overwhelming, leading to missed opportunities, budget overruns, and frustrated teams. This is where a robust project management solution steps in, acting as your central command center for all things project-related. And among the myriad of tools available, Scoro stands out as a comprehensive platform designed to streamline workflows, enhance collaboration, and ultimately drive project success. But what exactly is Scoro used for? While it's often categorized as project management software, Scoro offers a much broader spectrum of functionalities, making it a powerful ally for businesses of all sizes and across various industries. Think of it as an all-in-one business management suite that integrates project management with crucial aspects like sales, CRM, customer relationship management, time tracking, billing, and reporting. Let's break down the core functionalities of Scoro and explore how it can transform the way you manage your projects and your entire business operations. 1. Centralized project planning and management. At its heart, Scoro empowers you to plan, organize, and execute projects with clarity and efficiency. It provides a centralized platform where you can define project scope and objectives, clearly outline project goals, deliverables, and key milestones. This ensures everyone on the team understands the what and why of the project. Break down work into manageable tasks. Divide complex projects into smaller, actionable tasks with assigned responsibilities and deadlines. This fosters better control and allows for granular progress tracking. Visualize project progress. Utilize visual tools like Gantt charts and Kanban boards to gain a clear overview of project timelines, dependencies between tasks, and overall progress. These visual aids make it easy to identify potential bottlenecks and proactively address them. Manage resources effectively. Allocate team members to specific tasks based on their skills and availability. Scoro helps you optimize resource utilization, preventing overbooking and ensuring the right people are working on the right things at the right time. Track time and effort. Accurately record the time spent on each task, providing valuable insights into team productivity and project profitability. This data is crucial for accurate billing and future project estimations. Collaborate seamlessly. Facilitate communication and collaboration within project teams through shared task lists, file sharing, and discussion threads. This ensures everyone stays informed and aligned throughout the project lifecycle. 2. Streamline sales and CRM integration. Scoro seamlessly integrates sales and CRM functionalities, allowing you to manage the entire customer journey from initial contact to project completion and beyond. This integration offers several key benefits. Lead management. Track and manage potential clients, nurturing leads through the sales pipeline. This ensures no opportunities are missed and provides a clear overview of your sales efforts. Quoting and proposal generation. Create professional and accurate quotes and proposals directly within the platform, saving time and ensuring consistency. Sales pipeline visibility. Gain a clear understanding of your sales pipeline, track deal progress, and forecast revenue. This enables better sales management and strategic decision-making. Customer relationship management. Maintain a comprehensive record of all customer interactions, communications, and project history. This fosters stronger customer relationships and facilitates personalized service. Seamless transition from sales to project. Once a deal is closed, seamlessly convert sales opportunities into projects, ensuring a smooth handover of information and eliminating the need for manual data entry. 3. Efficient time tracking and billing. Accurate time tracking and efficient billing are crucial for maintaining healthy cash flow and understanding project profitability. Scoro simplifies these processes by providing multiple time tracking methods. Allow team members to track their time manually, using timers, or integrating with calendar events. This offers flexibility and ensures accurate time capture. Automating timesheet management. Streamline the process of submitting, reviewing, and approving timesheets, reducing administrative overhead. Generating accurate invoices. Create professional invoices based on billable hours, fixed fees, or project milestones. Scoro supports various billing methods and currencies. Tracking expenses. Record project-related expenses, ensuring all costs are accounted for and can be accurately billed to clients. Providing financial overviews. Gain clear visibility into project profitability, revenue, and outstanding invoices. This enables informed financial decision-making. 4. Comprehensive reporting and analytics. Data-driven decision-making is essential for continuous improvement. Scoro offers a wide range of reporting and analytics features that provide valuable insights into your business performance. Project progress reports. Monitor the status of individual projects, track milestones, and identify potential delays. Resource utilization reports. Analyze how effectively your team members are being utilized and identify areas for optimization. Financial reports. Gain insights into revenue, expenses, profitability, and cash flow. Sales performance reports. Track sales metrics, identify top-performing products or services, and forecast future sales. Customizable dashboards. Create personalized dashboards to track the key metrics that are most important to your business. Who can benefit from using Scoro? Scoro's versatility makes it a valuable tool for a wide range of businesses and teams, including project-based businesses, agencies, marketing, advertising, design, consultancies, IT services providers, and construction firms. Small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs, companies looking for an integrated solution to manage their operations efficiently. Teams within larger organizations, departments that manage projects and require better collaboration and tracking. Freelancers and solopreneurs, individuals who need a comprehensive platform to manage their clients, projects, and finances. Why choose Scoro over other project management tools? While numerous project management tools are available, Scoro distinguishes itself through its comprehensive integration of various business functions. Unlike tools that focus solely on project management, Scoro offers a holistic approach by combining project management with sales, CRM, time tracking, billing, and reporting. This all-in-one approach eliminates the need for multiple disparate software solutions, reducing complexity, improving data consistency, and ultimately saving time and money. Furthermore, Scoro is known for its user-friendly interface, robust feature set, and scalability. It can adapt to the evolving needs of your business as you grow.